back to New Orleans at the end of the half when Reed missed the field goal. And they will go for it.
Baylor.
And that pass completed the 29-yard line. And again, good field position.
Baylor, come here.
He stole a touchdown from Hines Ward. His own man stole a touchdown.
Could switching to Geico really save you 15% or more on car insurance? Does a former drill sergeant make a terrible therapist?
And that's why yellow makes me sad, I think.
That's interesting. You know what makes me sad?
You do! Maybe we should chug on over to Mamby-Pamby land, where maybe we can find some self-confidence for you, you jackwagon!
Tissue.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
Baylor, get Scooter. Get him. Get your Dougie.
On a closed course. Do have a tent at home. Always wear your seatbelt.
Go get her.
The powerful Mercedes-Benz C-Class. See your authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer for exceptional offers through Mercedes-Benz Financial.
A politician with a mistress.
What was that?
Are you drunk, baby?
I don't know how to get up. I don't know how to get up. That's too much chocolate. I don't know how to get up. I don't know how to get up. That's so much chocolate. And now I'm going everywhere.
Get Scooter, get him.
Scooter. Come get him, because his breath stinks. I don't want to get in my face. Don't see him, Baylor.